Not gonna lie, I got tired of seeing this guy. Everybody got tired of seeing this guy in the Lyft community because he used to bait and switch people into watching his videos. No matter what the topic was, he pop up and he just promote his promo code. And when people use his promo code, that's how he really was getting paid from Lyft and Uber and all that. So we sitting there, he used to be like, oh, I got deactivated. Well, I didn't really get deactivated. And then it'd be like, what happens when this and what happens when that? And it always would just be him promoting his promo code. And now I finally get it. So shout out to this guy, because he the reason why most people started making these damn videos anyway and stuff like that. Everybody got tired of seeing him. We all know who he is. As soon as you type in Lyft, people, matter of fact, he messed up the algorithm with them videos. And now when people type in, they don't even look for information no more because they think they're gonna run into this guy or another bait and switch guy promoting this promo code. However, when you really look into the information he's saying, shit just got real. Look, rideshare is stressful enough. We already know all the BS it come with. However, for the people who do it full-time, part-time, or whatever, we know the blessing that it can be, and we know that the how much bread you can actually make. And we need somebody who not complaining all the damn time and sounding like a bitch and sounding like somebody is forcing them to do this when they could quit any day and just give them their car back or just turn the app off. But anyway, definitely watch that video right there if you want to know more in depth on just how to rent a car, what you have to go through the process, and every little thing about Lyft Express to the T, the bonuses, the streaks, and if you get damaged, every damn thing in that video right there. Thank you, phone. Now, anyway, basically, we're going to go into this new bonus that Lyft and lost their damn mind. I ain't never see in no delivery app, in no rideshare app, in no app, somebody signing up with 2,600 guaranteed. Not only that, that's if you do 100 rides within the 30 days. But it doesn't even matter because you still get the difference if you don't make it, and you get that on top of whatever you make. So that right there is, I'm telling you right now, that's lit. That's lit. Go sign up. Like you see the code right there. The code, people be putting a code on the damn thing. I didn't understand. Now I get it. And somebody unused their code, and that was a blessing because now I see that it actually worked for them. It worked for me. And all you gotta do, guess what? Here's the jig is up. All you gotta do is do it for like 2 weeks until you get that 2,600, and then give them their car back all the day. You can give them their car back all the day. Be like, I made my 2,600 and I'm cool. Now you could just give your code out to other people, fall back because you don't even want to do Lyft anyway. It doesn't matter though. Like, just maximize on the hustle real quick. If you got a car who could do Lyft right now, use this code, get that 2,600 real quick. Not only that, you're going to be making bread in the process. You're going to be introduced to the bonuses, the streaks, and all that. And you might keep on doing it. You dig what I'm saying? But the whole point is, now I understand the blessing of the referral codes. I never understood. Use the code. Don't be a dickhead. I'm telling you right now, like, it ain't like, use the code. Like, it's no point in not, getting put on and like getting some bread. I'm telling you now, like, that's lit. Get them on, and you get I believe you get ride discounts or something like that when you use the promo code. Like, it comes with certain ride discounts or whatever. You might get a free ride or something. I'm not sure, but however, I was looking up how to use the promo codes or whatever and putting people on and having people reach certain goals or whatever to be able to get a certain amount of bread. And I'm telling you right now, that's lit. So use the code, sign up. I finally understand why people be making these videos trying to jip people into using the code. Now, I'm not jipping you into using the code. Just use the code. You dig what I'm saying? Just could put on. Make your little 2,600 and then you can give them their card right back. You be like, all right, I'm done. I made 2,600. Matter of fact, that's like 5,000 when you really think about it. Because by the time you get to 8,000, like 180 rides, it's a wrap. Then you put other people on, that's a stack in your pocket. You know what I'm saying? Ain't 2,600 in my pocket, but that's pretty lit. You don't know how many videos there is and how many people there is who started out rideshare delivery apps and they had a promo code but never put it in and never got that extra bread. I done missed out on $2,000 as well. I done heard a couple people talk about a couple of stacks they done missed out on just because they didn't use the damn code. It's a pretty simple, but it's so, I don't know, it's just weird. I don't know, it's weird. No, anyway, basically, I done talked to customer service about, you know what I mean, using the code. She explained why it wouldn't work. If there any reason why it shouldn't work, like if it's a business ride or whatever, that's the only reason the code shouldn't work if you were getting rides signing up or you trying to drive for Lyft. But anyway, it works both ways. And if it expired, some codes expired. I didn't know that, but to find out that's the reason why the code wouldn't work, or it's limited to a certain location. In that video that I talked about in the beginning, I have a video that shows you all the locations that it's available. So just check out that video again. And then it's a different currency. I don't know what that means. I think it's capped, but anyway, basically that's just, you know what I mean. I think if it's like in the U.S. and it's Canada, and oh yeah, there it says it right there. I'm an idiot. I should just read it. But anyway, yeah, I guess that means if you're in a different state or whatever, it ain't going to work. Like if you in Canada and watch this video, use the code or something like that. But anyway, or if it's this business ride, they the only reasons why the codes won't work, and your code can expire. So I called up there and was like, my code still work. They was like, yeah. So I'm like, all right, let me put people on, because you get a code too. You could just sign up to get your code, and then if you know somebody who's trying to get on, give them your code, and then you get paid for that. Costs way too much. I don't want nobody sitting in my I don't want nobody sitting in the back of my car. Ass bitch, don't do it. You feel what I'm saying? Because you're not a hustler. You're not the hustler that you thought you were. By the end of this video, everybody pretty much, number one, you should be hitting that like button. And number two, subscribing to the channel for more knowledge to put you on to where to go and what to do and how to grind even harder and how to get even more